Hey loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have two DIYs for you guys. These are the easiest DIYs you could ever possibly ask for. So if you have like a denim shirt that you would like to pimp it up a bit, or like a plain t-shirt, I suggest this is the video for you. So I want to actually make a cold shoulder top out of this denim shirt. It's a bit too structured and boring for my taste, so watch and see. I also have this cute spaghetti top. Is that what we're gonna call it? Yes, this is flag top or vest top, as you wish to call it. What I usually do is crisscross the straps and wear it like that. I've worn it like that a few times, but I feel like it's boring, and now I want to spice it up a bit. So watch and see how it turns out. So basically what you need is a pair of scissors, a compass that you can steal from your small sister's geometrical set, wink wink, and a chalk or a pencil that you can use to mark your semicircle as I'm about to do. So what I did is I took the compass and drew out a semicircle using the midpoint as the edge of my shoulder and the distance from the edge of the shoulder to where the neck is, and I drew out basically a semicircle. As you can see, it's pretty explanatory guys. Explanatory. It's pretty explanatory. I gotta stop saying explanatory. So it's explanatory from the video, and then what I did after that is cut out the semicircle using the pair of scissors, and make sure you line your shirt properly at the bottom so that you don't tear out the wrong measurements. As you can see, I was tearing it out in a semicircle manner. I don't know why I keep explaining stuff that you can already see. I then went in with the scissors because I wanted a more unfinished look rather than a polished look. As for the other side, I did the same thing, just measured the edge from my shoulder to the neck area and cut out a semicircle using a pair of scissors. Like I said guys, this is the easiest DIY you could possibly ask for, you know what I'm saying? Yes, thank you very much. And now as you can see, I went in again with a pair of scissors, tried to make a more unfinished look, but to be honest, I don't think I did a good job, but I'm trying. Anyway, moving on, we went to the vest top, not because I was doing this all by myself. I cut out the mid section of the vest top. I'm really trying to find the words to describe what I was doing, like damn. Anyway, so I took a pair of scissors, cut the middle part of my vest top on the top side, so do not cut the bottom side, that is the back side of the vest top. So I split that into half, opened it up, and then went ahead and cut the back section at almost below the middle so that it could have like a nice length, not such a long length, because that's not what I wanted. Nini ingine nikafanya nika slice na makasi. As you can see, that's what I'm doing. Clearly I don't need to talk and explain, y'all can see it in the damn video. And we are done. So this is how the top looks, and so you basically just wrap it around your body. If the straps are long enough, you can tie a knot at the back. If it is not, you can of course just tuck it inside the fabric at the back. It's not gonna look bumpy because the fabric is actually thin, so you can see it turns out really nice, and I like it. I really do. So on to the next one. This is the denim shirt. So this is how it looks. So clearly I didn't do such a good job at making it look more unfinished, but you know what, we're gonna work with it. So I did like both of the looks, although I feel like this one I will have to go and sew in the hem, just because I feel like people are going to look at me funny because watana ni kama nimerarua tumbo. But then again, who cares what people say?
Okay, I do. We all do. At some point we do care what people say. So anyway, I think I'm gonna sew in the hem over here. It's gonna look all round, actually. It's gonna look more presentable and more thought out. So yeah, aside from that, I like how it turned out. I wanted to make it a crop of shoulder, but I feel like I like the idea of tying a knot, so I don't think I'm going to do that. As for this other top, it did turn out so well. I am so happy with it, although I wish this length was longer so that it can go all the way around and tie a knot at the back, but since it can't, I'll just be tucking it inside after, you know, wrapping it around my waist. But otherwise, this one is something I'm gonna definitely wear a lot. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye 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 bye.